Okay, trying something new here with the mini Thunderbolt. I got an intex air mattress that had a built-in air pump, and it started leaking, so I cut it out of the air mattress and took it apart. And it's got a neat little 120 volt air blower pump in it. It's really cool. With some rigging, it would go right inside the mini Thunderbolt blower housing, but I just kind of got it temporarily rigged up with the PVC air pipe. It's kind of stuck onto the blower frame. Get that thing hooked up. I've got the controls hooked up like I had before with the cheesy capacitor rig. I'm not running on the 12 volt battery. I've got a power supply here, and I've got set to 12 volts. So the chopper and the rotator and the control circuit is still running on 12 volts, and this is 120. So I run a couple of times. It's running better, a little bit better than the last time I videoed it. Still a little burpy, but I haven't cleaned the collector ring, so I'm going to go ahead and run it. And I don't have it hooked up to a timer. I'm just going to run it steady here for a minute or two, and just kind of manually hook it up here. And the chopper and the rotator on now. You can barely hear the chopper. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the blower on now with the switch. I don't have it hooked up to the controls. Let's see if it runs any better. People always ask me how loud it is, and so you can get an idea of when it points towards the camera. I'll keep talking and you can get an idea how loud it is. It's still fairly loud. It's running steadier now since I don't have that 12 volt blower load on it like I did with that smog pump. This blower is not nearly as loud as that other one. You can still hear it, but yeah, it's running a lot better. Alright, we'll go ahead and shut it off. And that's about it. At least it's holding its tone better than it has. It doesn't have that load of this old smog pump blower. This thing pulls so much current. You can see how junky it is. It was from I think a car that was flooded. I got it on eBay for about 10 bucks. But I think it seems like the air output of this little 120 volt one is about the same as that big clunky piece of junk there. You can see they're just about the same size. The impeller in this thing is smaller. I've got it, you can see the air intake right there. And then I just rigged all this up just to see how it will work. and it seems to run okay. I just need to figure out how I can hook all this up to so it can be run just with the push of a button, so that shouldn't be too hard, but that's for another day, I guess. Anyway, that's about it for this video, I guess. Mini Thunderbolt video number 8 or 7 or 6 or however many it's been. I guess that's about it. Yeah. Let's